Ever wonder why some garden boots fall apart after one season while others look brand new year after year? Most garden boots crack, leak, or trap sweat after a few months of wear. They're either too stiff to move in or so thin they can't handle real work. But there's one boot that's quietly built a cult following among gardeners and outdoor workers alike, and it's not just because it's waterproof. The Muck Women's Muckster 2 mid boot uses a 4mm neoprene bootie that flexes with your foot while keeping water out. Inside, a breathable mesh lining helps air circulate so your feet stay dry, not swampy. The double heel and toe reinforcement means these won't wear down in muddy or rocky terrain, and the self-cleaning rubber outsole literally sheds dirt with every step. It's comfort, durability, and function all built into one clean design. If you're tired of replacing cheap gardening boots season after season, take a closer look at the Muckster 2 Mid. They might just be the last pair you'll need for years of work and play outdoors.